I'm here again. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jarodix TV. Yes, by the way, I'm Jayson and I'm just a local reactor from Philippines, and I'm doing a lot of a video, especially music from Northeast India. Alright, so our next reaction of video for today is not a music, but this is a traditional or a Manipuri traditional dress. So I'm so excited and I'm so entertaining to react this because I'm so curious, guys, and I want to know how or what is the different Manipuri dress there in your state. Alright, so before we start, I just want to remind you guys, for those new to my channel, please subscribe first to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my reaction video here in my channel. Okay, I know you are so excited to know the different kinds of Manipuri traditional dress, and I'm so excited too. Okay, so without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. Ooh! Wow, very colorful. Ooh, I like it, the color. Wow! Look at the different Manipuri dress. Oh my goodness! And also, wow, no doubt they are so beautiful. Wow! Oh, look at that! Wow! That was so amazing dress. Oh my goodness. I have nothing to say about your dress because it's really, really, wow. It's really very wonderful to my eyes. Look at that. Oh my. I know there's a name of this, different kinds of dress. So please, guys, comment down below the different kinds of dress. Oh, that's all only. That is very, very short a video, but wow. You know what? To be honest to all of you guys, this is not only for the ladies there in Manipur, but in a different state in Northeast India. Every time that I watch like this video and I've seen a lady that are wearing their traditional dress, believe it or not, I'm just telling the truth, their natural beauty, it comes out, guys. Yes, that's true, and that is my observation. I'm not telling here that if you're not wearing your dress, you're not beautiful, but that is not what I mean. I mean to say is you look better when you suit your traditional dress. Not only this one for the Manipur, but in the different state in Northeast India, guys. So that was only my observation, and I'm so glad and I'm so proud of you because you're representing your traditional dress in your state, and that was the what we call is, it symbolizes the beauty of your state or in your country. Thank you so much for sharing these videos because finally I'm seeing a different kinds of traditional dress, especially from Manipur. So if you are in a different state there, guys, and watching my videos, if you want to share your traditional dress, you can comment down below, or you can request to me in my comment section. Just write it down, guys, if you want it. And if I have a time, I will react that request. Okay? So, wow. Another videos ended for today's, and I'm so happy to react this because, you know, I'm so curious about the dress of the Manipur, or the traditional dress of Manipur. So thank you so much for having me here until the end of this video. So before we end it, guys, I just want to remind you, for those new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video. And one more thing, guys, if you like this reaction video, don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends. And wow, please give this a lot of a thumbs up, okay? And that's all. And see you again, guys, to my next reaction video. See you around. I love you all, guys, and God bless you. Bye!